Dear students, today I am going to tell you on the topic feudalism in Europe. The word feudalism is derived from the Latin word feudum. It means laborer, where some strong, wealthy leaders tried to control the weaker proletariat section with their own armed force. The German tribes started to attack our West Roman Empire after the death of Roman Emperor Theodorius. The German tribes occupied West Rome and started atrocities over the local people of West Rome. Then those people took shelter under the local landlords and military leaders to protect their own life and property. In course of time, these landlords or military leaders became the feudal lords, and this way the feudalism was started in Europe. At that time, the European kings offered lands to the aristocratic people instead of coins, and it made the aristocratic section more wealthy. According to F.W. Maitland, a British historian, the feudalism was started because of political anarchy, which was started in Middle Europe. Karl Marx said it was a hindrance to the economical equality. Dubé said it was a revolution. Historians divided the feudal period in two steps. Number one, from 9th century to 11th century. Number two, from 11th century to 14th century. After the destruction of the Roman Empire in 9th century, the feudalism developed in Europe, where development of trade and commerce, coinage system, scientific production were totally absent. In the second step, the number of population increased, started to search agricultural land, development of trade and commerce, all these were present. Its characteristics. Number one, the king appointed some military leaders in the border places to establish the supremacy of the king. These military leaders gradually started to exploit the cultivators and laborers, and the king controlled these leaders, gave them the oath of fealty. The land were distributed among the cultivators which were granted them by the king. They became landlords, and they got it by the way of hereditary. Number three, the feudalism divided Europe into two groups. Number one, feudal lords, and number two, general people or general cultivators. Number four, this feudal system started the process of slave system in Europe. These feudal lords forcefully engaged some poor people in agricultural field. They were called slaves, and they were treated as the personal property of the feudal lords. The slaves faced tyrannical behavior and exploitation from their feudal lords. At the very beginning, the feudal lords were interested in agricultural development. They helped the cultivators. But in course of time, the feudal lords became autocratic and greedy, and they exploited the cultivators and farmers. At the time, war was started among the feudal lords for more wealth and property. As a result, social instability was started, and the poor cultivators rose in revolt against these feudal lords. The feudal lords did not engage in any social progressive works. Only they fulfilled their own selfish interest. On the other hand, expansion of trade and commerce destroyed the supremacy of the feudal lords when, in the year of 1315, the famine and economical degradation was started in Europe. Then gradually the feudalism system was disappeared in Europe.